pull him on you. Lift the wrist. Block the ankle. Block the ankle. Head up, circle out. Good. Work that step. Good step.
At 190, Cole Boyle Alma and Caden Radka Frankenmuth. Raymond and Ethan Wakefield, Lutheran Seminary. And in the hole on mat 1 at 106, Diego Silva Alma and Benjamin Hopper, John Black. Mat 3, Noah Risner, Ithaca and Justin Rodriguez, St. Louis. On deck, mat 3 at 215, Brigham Smith, Freeland and Kenny Daniels, Ithaca. In the hole on mat 3 at 106, Mason Kosanen, Bergeron and Maddox Wilson, Freeland.
Let him snap you to that ankle, Cody.
Ladies and gentlemen, could you turn your attention to mat 1 for a milestone victory? Cole Boyle from Alma High School just recorded his 150th career victory. Congratulations.
Just pushing it, he's going to take everything. Slide it by your shot. Cody, feel that pressure. Your head up, Cody. Come on, Cody. Come on, Cody. Use your head. Use your head.
Mat 1 at 106, Diego Silva, Alma, and Benjamin Hopper, John Black. In the whole mat 1 at 113, Alex Rodriguez, St. Louis, from Lutheran Seminary.
Let's go, 30 seconds out. Right on that side. Right on that side. Press slow. Press slow. Right on that side. Press his back. Throw it up. Both sides.
Work in center.
Mason Koskinen, Bergeron and Maddox Wilson, Freeland. In the hole on mat 3 at 113, Logan Slasky, and Corey Carver.
Don't get it. Don't pull him on. Up.
Cody, come on. Up
Lift
here.
your wrist.
Here. Cody, you gotta score.
That's loud. Close time.
Time.
Time.